Okay, so this has got to be one of the easiest lens video I've ever done, because the Blazar Remus anamorphic lens, the PL version, is like one of the best budget friendly lens there is, because it's less than $2,000. Yo, it's way less than even some of those Filtrox lens. You get me? The 1x5 anamorphic D-squeeze is like really cool. Well, for me, this is my first anamorphic lens, so I'm trying to get used to it, and I'm actually shooting on it right now. Yo, this is so nice. You get me? Shooting on a Blackmagic Pixie 6K. Yo, the full frame lens is just so good. Yo, like, let's look at the quality right now, and paired with the Pixies, it's not that big and it's not too small. You get me? And yo, if I should take off like all of the cage elements from my Pixies and just run it with just a monitor and a lens, it's a real run and gun vibe, to be honest. But outside of that, I just love the build quality of the lens. I like the characters that I get, like especially when it comes down to the fall off. Like, yo, this D-squeeze is so clean for me. And looking at it now on the screen, right? I'm like, wow, Blazar really did it. Because I was looking at some other budget-friendly anamorphic lens, such as the Suri, but I never really liked them. I was going to go for the Viltrox, but it's way more than this, and I rather the D-squeeze from this lens versus the Viltrox. Again, I think the Viltrox is what, 1.33, I'm not sure, but I like the D-squeeze on this. It actually looks good. And I went to the park recently, and I'm like, okay, let me just look at it. Just looking at it without even editing it just looks so good. But bear in mind that you have to know how to like shoot on these type of lens, because like if you're going to have somebody here, right, you know that it's going to like they're going to look weird. You get me? So you have to just be careful on how you shoot on this type of lens. And for me, I really don't mind if the lens is not sharp enough. You get me? Because like, yo, I want a lens with character. So when I was looking for a good lens, I actually had to wait. So I looked at so much other YouTube reviews and I'm like, I like this look. I like this look. But when I saw these lenses, I'm like, ugh. But guys, you got to like get them now before the end of December 2024, because I heard that they're going to stop selling these specific type of lens, the Blazar. So they're going to a newer type of lens. I don't remember the name. Let me look up the new type of lens that they're going for. They are going for, let me click on this Blazar lens. Yes, so they're going for the new Blazar 𝗕𝘂𝘀 lens, right? But these lenses are also full frame, but they're only going to come in the silver version. Or the Blazar lens, you have I think you have silver, blue, and amber. I'm actually using the blue one right now. So I like the fact that I can get, let me turn the brightness. Is this going to work? Yes. So the blue flare. Okay, so when it comes down to the flaring, this is what you see. It's nice. See that blue flare right here? Yeah. Pretty good. Like, it's really cool, you know, that blue color. So typically if I was using the amber, then the light would be, you know, orange color. Yeah. So that's the flaring for you guys. The flaring is it's pretty cool, not too much for me. And yo, I only have this lens for about a week now, and it's like I want to just get up every day and shoot. Unfortunately, I only bought one lens. You get me? This is the 45 T2, and I like the fact that it is T2, which is, you know, it's wide enough to get a nice bokeh on a full frame body. So using this type of lens, I'm like, yo, what do I want to shoot with it? Because like everything that I shoot with it feels like I'm shooting a movie. And that's the thing that I love. You get me? Spherical lens don't give me this type of vibe. Because like the character that I'm getting from this lens is pretty cool. Pretty unique, to be honest. And the price, $9.99, just a little bit over $1,000. Bro, I don't see anything better than these type of lens. Guys, if you like these type of videos, let me know. I can do more for you. You get me? To like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you again in another video. Peace.